Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we're going to talk about how to name bots. But before we do that, I wanted to apologize. I have not been around for like almost 2 months. My parents were over. I was meeting them after almost 3 years, thanks to COVID. And so I was just hosting them, taking care of them, and just taking a break from things. And of course, planning out more videos and making sure that I'm able to make more videos that can help you, especially at a time like this. So I have a lot of more videos lined up, but I thought maybe I start with naming the bot one, because naming the bot saves you a lot of time, and especially in times of panic as well. It helps you a lot. So let's start with how I go about it. Okay. So there's a few ways of doing it. So this is one way of doing it. uh, this is a TBT bot. This is based on the signal, which is provided by free in the marketplace, by Monin Papa. So TBT stands for the better trader. So this TBT and this TBT both are there. This naming, it could be anything else. For example, this could be Flor Floripa. So this is the name of the bot. Then I have a straight line. Okay. Of course, this is something that I have customized. I'm not going for the original 10 deals. So then I have the number of deals. These are the number of deals. Okay. So in your case, you can name anything, the bot's name. Okay. Then the number of deals. So as you can see, these are number of deals are 5. So I know there are 5 deals in this bot. If I want to increase, if I want to decrease, if I want to know, okay, I don't want to have too many deals open, I know I can look at these 5 deals. Then this shows us the intensity of the bot, whether it's a moderate bot, aggressive bot, or a conservative bot, a bearish bot, or a bullish bot. So this also helps when you just look at the bot or the deals. You can immediately tell that, okay, this is okay to, if the market is like, a bit up and down, this is okay. It's a moderate bot running, and it's not something that I have to be worried about. If it's an aggressive bot, you like, okay, let's stop the aggressive bot. So it's something that you can do quickly as well. uh, then this is the amount of, uh, in this case, this is a BTC bot. So this is the amount of BTC that's invested. If it's a USDT bot, you will have the USDT amount over here. Okay. So it's always best to round it off. uh, for example, if this was a USDT bot, if it's like 1051, so it's better to just round it off to 50. Okay. So let's bring it back, Floripa. Okay, let's make it Floripa. Okay, so then this is the pair. Okay, so what is this? BTC. So it's a BTC. If it's USDT, right? USDT here. So BTC. So you have a dash here, dash here, dash here. Okay, BTC slash, what are the tokens? Are they the top 12 tokens, or the top 20, or favorite 20, or you name them accordingly. So here we have the top 12. Then dash, this is the signal that we are receiving. That's the TBT signal. So in case that when you are doing your own settings and when it's not based on signal, I'll show you another example. Okay. Then we have the take profit. So this take profit is a mix of the 0.85 plus 8. So it's the total take profit. So then the take profit, and then we have the safety orders. That's the 2 safety orders. So we know, okay, this bot has 2 safety orders, so we don't have to worry, or we can just look at it at a glance and know that, oh, we are good. After that, this shows us the maximum price deviation, which is 4.5%. So this also helps you, that, okay, it's a moderate bot. What can it handle? Can it handle huge corrections? No, it's not a conservative bot, it's a moderate bot. and it goes up to 4.5%. So moderate bot, you look at it, 4.5 to safety orders. Okay, maybe there's a huge correction if I know already it's coming, and I should not run this bot. So it's something like that, And then you have um, the exchange, which is Binance in this case. So let me just save this and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. Of course he wouldn't be here. You can see the whole thing. Let's look at one which is a USDT one with no signals. It's all our own settings. So again, you give the bot a name, then we have a straight line, then we have the number of deals dash. So hybrid downtrend. So hybrid downtrend means that it's accumulating as well. This is how I name it. And it's something that when there is a downtrend, this is something which is good to use. So then we have the accumulator as an add-on. So it's something that catches, because it's a QFL bot, it catches whenever something goes down, up and down, up and down, and accumulates your coin. So we have the ACC here. This is the amount which is being used. So we will round it off to 2060. Okay. This is the pairs. It's a USDT favorite 7. Okay. So these are my favorite 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. They were my favorite 7. But anyways, so after that we have the deal start condition. The deal start condition in this case is QFL original 7. Simply, that's it. How many safety orders? Then we have a dash and a line. You can have that's up to you if you prefer dashes or line, but sometimes it's nice to mix it up. But yeah, this looks nice and clean. How many safety orders we have? We have 4 safety orders. What's the take profit? 13% is the take profit. So you have, look at it, no trailing. Okay, so it's 30%. Sometimes if you want, you can say no trailing or no stop loss. I generally don't ever keep stop loss on my bots at all. So before I used to write no stop loss or NS, but now I don't. So now the next one moving forward is the 60%. So how is it 60%? This is almost 53%, and the deal will open at a drop of 7. So this 7 plus 53 gives you 60%. So that's how I got 60%, and this is also on Binance. So this is a way of naming the bot. So let's look at this in a way. Let's save this and let me show you how it looks. So if you go here, okay, and we go to moon. Here you go. This is the moon one. Okay. So yeah, sorry, this one. So it says only QFL original over here, but because I have this labeled over here that it's QFL original 7, I don't have to worry about this. Take profit, yeah, it's written over here, but when it's over here right in front of you, highlighted in blue nicely, it does stand out. Then 4 safety orders. Okay, so over here, here it is. So you can look here, odd, isn't this clearer? So I like it this way. I don't even look at this, this great portion. I don't really look at it, anymore because of this, the way I'm naming my bots. Then if you look at take profit here is 13 and here is 13. Okay, but when this trailing on, it doesn't show over here, so it combines over here. So anyways, so this is how it looks. So for me, overall, naming the bots in a way where we can quickly see them at a glance and say, oh, this is great, this is like something that we can work with, and naming them nicely with different names. This is something I learned from the Trading Parrot, and then I build up on that, on how to name the bots. And shout out to the Trading Parrot. Thank you for teaching us and me this, and yeah, so it does save a lot of time, man. It saved me a lot of time and a lot of money, because when you have to take fast decisions, this helps a lot. When you have a lot of bots running, it helps a lot to quickly turn off bots which you know that should not be running at the moment. uh, so yeah, so this was my take. I thought I share this with you on naming the bots. If you have any questions, please do comment. And if you don't have three commas, go ahead and get it. The link is in the description as well. If you want to support me, this my Patreon is always there. If you want to talk to me, the Patreon is always there as well. And then I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.